Are your lunch boxes draining your energy instead of fueling it? Too oily, too light, or just plain boring? Today, let's fix that. In this video, I will show you what makes a lunchbox truly balanced, three sample Indian lunchbox ideas that are light and filling, and the secret to eating well at work without stress, mess, or cooking overload. Let's get into smart, simple, satisfying lunch boxes. Midlife professionals often skip lunch or eat in a hurry. But lunch is the most critical meal. Why? To maintain energy, prevent cravings, and support digestion. So when you eat too heavy, you feel sleepy. If you eat too light, you will crave tea, biscuits at 4 p.m. The key is to strike the middle balance, light yet sustaining. And here is a winning formula for your lunchbox. 1 part should be whole grains, that is roti of millet, wheat, brown rice or quinoa. 1 part to be protein, dal, chana, tofu, paneer, curd. 1 part vegetables, sabzi, mixed salad, stir-fried vegetables. Healthy fats, ghee, seeds, a few almonds. And optionally, you can have 1 teaspoon chutney or pickle for flavor. This combination fuels your brain, supports your digestion, and prevent energy crashes. Let me share 3 smart lunchbox combos. No fancy ingredients, no long preparation. Lunchbox number 1. Digestive and light. 1 cup khichdi made with moong dal plus rice or millets. Half cup carrot beet sabzi. 1 small cup curd. 1 slice of lemon plus pinch of jeera powder. This lunchbox is ideal for those who sluggish digestion or bloating. Lunchbox 2. High energy vegetarian plate. 2 ragi or jawar rotis, half cup palak chana sabzi, cucumber carrot salad with lemon, 1 teaspoon flaxseed chutney. This is perfect for long meetings or late lunches. Lunchbox 3. No roti, no rice. 1 bowl vegetable stir fry with tofu or paneer. 1 boiled sweet potato or half avocado. Buttermilk in a small bottle. This is great for weight management or hot days. And how to make lunchbox preparation stress-free? You can pack while making dinner, just double 1 sabzi. Use compartment tiffins to separate wet and dry foods. Keep a small bottle for buttermilk or infused water. Use small containers for chutney, nuts, or lemon. No fridge at work? Try rotis, dry sabzi, a fruit. Still smart, still energizing. Even the best lunchbox can go wrong if you pack oily paranthas or pudis, white bread or noodles, cold pasta or processed food, sugary drinks or soft drinks. These meals are hard to digest and leave you sleepy, gassy, or craving more food later. Instead, think warm, light, fiber rich, and real. Your lunchbox isn't just a meal, it is midday medicine for you. The right lunch fuels your brain, supports your gut, keeps you light, focused, and balanced. So plan it like a gift to yourself. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribes for more desk friendly nutrition tips, and share this video with your work buddy. And comment below what's your go to lunchbox fix.